There are countless different types of coffee beans available on the market these days, making it hard to know which ones to choose. However, there are some that stand out from the rest in terms of quality and flavor. Here are 3 of the best coffee beans you could ever buy. Number 1 on the list, Kenyan AA coffee beans. These beans are grown at high altitudes in Kenya, which gives them a unique flavor that is unlike any other coffee bean. They have a bright, fruity taste that is perfect for those who like their coffee with a little bit of sweetness. Followed by Colombian Supremo coffee beans. Colombian Supremo coffee beans are considered to be some of the best in the world. Grown in the mountainous regions of Colombia, these beans are known for their rich flavor and aroma. Supremo beans are typically large and uniform in size, making them ideal for brewing a consistent cup of coffee. They are also typically very dark in color, with a deep, rich flavor. In addition to being used for brewed coffee, Colombian Supremo beans are also often used in specialty espresso blends. If you're looking for a high-quality coffee bean that will produce a delicious cup of coffee, look no further than Colombian Supremo. Last, but definitely not the least, Hawaiian Kona coffee beans. Hawaiian Kona coffee beans are some of the most prized in the world. Grown in the volcanic soils of the Big Island of Hawaii, these coffee beans produce a rich, full-bodied coffee with a distinctive flavor. Kona coffee beans are typically hand-picked and processed using a wet method, which helps to preserve their flavor and aroma. Because of the unique growing conditions and processing methods used, Hawaiian Kona coffee beans are among the most expensive in the world. However, many coffee aficionados believe that they are worth the premium price tag. If you're looking for an exceptional cup of coffee, Hawaiian Kona coffee beans are definitely worth trying. No matter what your personal preferences are, there is sure to be a type of coffee bean that you will love. So go ahead and try out some. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel. Comment your thoughts down below and share this video to a coffee lover friend.